Hi everyone, welcome to Feel the Skill. If you have ever felt confused about hiring a divorce lawyer near you or wonder how to protect yourself legally, you are in the right place. Today we are talking about hiring a divorce lawyer near you or wonder how to protect yourself legally. I will break it down step by step so it's easy to understand and help you avoid common mistakes. Stay with me till the end for some valuable tips that could save you your time, money, and stress. Let's get started. De- Detailed guide to hiring a divorce lawyer near you. Divorce does not just signify the end of a marriage. It marks the beginning of a new chapter in your life. Well, this transition can feel daunting. A skilled divorce lawyer can guide you through the legal, emotional, and financial complexity with expertise and care. Understanding the lawyer role. A divorce lawyer serves as both your legal advisor and advocate. Their role include explaining your legal rights, handling the complex paperwork, representing you in negotiation or court. Their ultimate goal is to secure the best possible outcome for you, whether it is dividing asset fairly, ensuring you get ad- adequate custody arrangement or negotiating a small support. What does a divorce lawyer do? A divorce lawyer helps simplify complicated legal matters. Here are the key elements of their work. Explain with example. First is legal documentation. They prepare and file paperwork such as divorce petition, response, and court motion. Example: ensuring all financial disclosure are completed and accurate to avoid penalties. Second is mediation and negotiation. They act as your voice during negotiation, aiming to settle dispute amicably without court intervention. Example: mediating disarrangements over who gets the family care or vacation home. Third is litigation representation. If negotiation fail, a lawyer will represent you in court, presenting evidence and argument to protect your interest. Example: arguing for sole custody if the other parent has a history of neglect. Fourth is guidance on state law. Divorce law vary by location, and your lawyer ensure compliance with local regulation. How a divorce lawyer can help you. First is initial consultation. The first step is understanding your situation. Most lawyers offer an initial consultation where they will assess the fact of your case, discuss your goal and priorities, example, retaining custody, protecting asset, explain the process, timeline, and potential cost. Tip: bring relevant documents such as marriage certificate, financial record, and a list of questions. Second is case preparation. A divorce lawyer build a solid case by gathering evidence. Example: bank statement, property deed. Consulting financial expert or child psychologist if needed. Drafting legal argument based on your circumstance. Third is negotiation and settlement. Your lawyer expertise ensure you are not pressured into unfair argument. They aim for amicable solution, but they will also be prepared to litigate if necessary. Fourth is court representation. Should you case should your case go to trial, the lawyer will present your side convincingly with fact and evidence. Counter any argument made by the opposing lawyer. Advocate for your interest to secure the best judgment. Qualities of a good divorce lawyer. First is expertise and experience. Seek a lawyer who is specialized in family law and has a proven track record. An experienced lawyer is more likely to anticipate challenge and craft effective strategy. Second is communication skill. Your lawyer should keep you updated regularly, simplify legal jargon, and answer your question promptly. Miscommunication can lead to misunderstanding or missed deadline. Third is empathy and determination. A great lawyer not only fight for your rights but also understand the emotional toll of divorce. Look for someone who balances compassion with assertiveness. What to expect during a divorce case? First is time frame. Divorce can range from a few months to years depending on complexity of the case. Example: high value asset, contest custody, willingness of both parties to cooperate. Second is cost. Legal fee vary based on hourly rate or flat fee. Additional expense like mediation or expert witnesses. Discuss payment option upfront and ask about potential hidden cost such as filing fee. Third is possible outcome. While each case is unique, potential outcomes include custody arrangement ranging from shared custody to sole custody, divorce of marital properties, division of marital properties such as saving, investment, and physical asset, a fall or child support order depending on financial circumstances. Encouragement and call to action. No matter how complex your situation may feel, remember that you are not alone. A divorce lawyer can provide the guidance, protection, and support you need to move forward. Take control of your further today. Start by scheduling a consultation with a trusted divorce lawyer near you. Additional tip for navigating divorce. Stay organized. Keep all relevant documents, example bank statement, mortgage paper, in one place. Be honest. Transparency with your lawyer help them build a strong cases. Third is consider mediation. If both parties are willing, mediation can save time and money. Focus on the future. Avoid letting emotion drive decision. Prioritize what is best for your long-term goals. Hiring the right divorce lawyer in the first step toward ensuring that your rights, asset, and peace of mind are protected during this significant life transition. That's all for today. I hope these videos help you understanding hiring a divorce lawyer near you or wondered how to protect yourself legally a little better. Remember, having the right legal knowledge is so important in protecting yourself and your future. If you have any question or need more information, leave a comment below. I did love to hear your thought and help where I can. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might find it helpful, and subscribe to Feel the Skill for more simple and practical legal advice. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next videos.